Hi everyone, I'm Lenny and I'm here today. I'm gonna show you and teach you how you treat by yourself a muscle called tensor fascia lata. First of all, what is this muscle? This muscle is here on the lateral side of our leg. Here is coming for the anterior superior iliac crest, and it's gonna insertion in the lateral condyle of the tibia. So I'm gonna show you the picture and you are gonna see. So we have here one picture. You can see it's coming for anterior superior iliac crest, that is here, and the insertion is in the lower part lateral condyle of the tibia. That's good, very good. The function of this muscle, or the action of this muscle, is hip flexion with abduction. Remember that abduction is go away from the body. Okay, so this muscle is talking regarding the fibers, is not too long. It's going until the middle of the leg, but from here to here is a huge tendon that is from in the middle of the thigh to here. So when we don't drink a lot of water, when we don't have healthy diet, when we don't exercise and stretching, this muscle is gonna get the tendon like a belt, you know. So it's very hard and very tight. When it's tight, cause a lot of muscles imbalance and problems in our lower back, because it's gonna pull in the attachment of the iliac crest or hip. And it's causing problems as well on the neck, because you know it is very tight. It's gonna pull in here our neck, you know. Okay, so this is important to work the muscle. When you are working the muscle, you are gonna feel when it's tight, like when you take this plastic bag that you cover very delicate things that it have a lot of bubbles that you like to squish. So it's the same when you work with this with any muscle and you find that the fascia is tight. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start working with the fascia, and it's easy. You can using your clothes. You don't have to remove your clothes. So we are gonna start, you know, working, squishing all the muscle, all this area, squishing the muscle like that. Okay, here I'm warming the area very well, like that, very well. After I warm the area, I'm gonna grab, you know, like a grabbing, you know, like when I grab here my skin, I'm gonna grab here the muscle, and I'm gonna moving the muscle up and down, up and down, up and down. Remember, warm very well the area, because if not, when you work with the fascia, it's gonna be painful and you can hurt the soft tissue. So warm very well, doing massage without oil, you know, just squishing the muscle, or you can use hot towels as well. Okay, then you can take, and it's like a pinching and moving all this area, like that. You can do as well using, you know, your fingers, like a moving down the muscle like that. So I show you this one using, you know, the pants, because sometimes people think that massage is just, you know, oil, lotion, and no clothes. And no, you can, one of the technique is using the clothes as well. You can work like that as well. Okay, so try to go in the same, you know, moving toward you like that. That's good. Okay, when you are doing this, moving the fascia, you can find as well the tender points or trigger points. So when you finish working here and you are doing the massage, you can use the oil as well, remove the clothes, you know, and use the oil doing the massage. You are gonna work with the tender point, but I told you, you can work like that. You know, this is the idea. Some people doesn't like to feel, you know, greasy. So the idea of this video is that you can work without lotion, without oil. You can work in your muscles as well. That's good. So for example, I'm finished here to work, and while I working, I find, for example, here is very common one tender point. I can use my hands and I can just work here, squishing. I can stay here, holding here for 2 minutes and go a little bit more deep and more deep. You know, it's under comfort level of each one. That's good. And relax. When I relax, I just, you know, do this and move, okay? You can use as well your knuckles, doing this as well, like that. You can use your other hand to help yourself, like that, okay? So a lot of technique without clothes or using the clothes, no problem, okay? So when you finish the massage and you work a lot of here on the tendon as well, find the tendon. The tendon, no, the tendon is the long tendon from here, but the attachment, the insertion of the muscle, you are gonna move here a little bit more. Why? Because every tendon have some proprioceptors, some things that when you work in them for longer, help to the fiber muscles relax. Okay, very good. So always, if you can work without clothes, try to work from here, okay? Then you can use as well one small, you know, ball, very soft, squishy, to massage, doing like that as well. Remember, you can use as well this ball, contact with the skin, like that, okay? Very slow. I apply sometimes the technique during the video a little bit fast, but because it's the video, but I told you very slow. Okay, so when you find the tender point or the trigger point, you can use one tennis ball. So how you are gonna use the tennis ball? So let me, if I can move a little bit up the table, and I'm gonna show you. So for example, you find the trigger point here. So you are gonna apply here, you are gonna put here the tennis ball, you just cross your leg, and you are gonna, you know, move like that, okay? Working on this part. I know that you can see very well here, but let me move a little bit this one. Okay, much better now. Here is, look at that. So here is the pillow, so like that. You just move, you see? You can text, use your cell phone, use your iPad, watch television, and you working here, okay? It is very uncomfortable for you. Just go slow or just stay here for a little, you know, maybe 2 minutes, breathe, and you take a breath, and when you exhale, you apply pressure, okay? So take a breath and apply pressure. In any point where you find, you know, the trigger point here, if you find the trigger point more little here, so put it on here and work here like that, okay? It's very, very easy, you know, you use your body to release. As well, you can change the position. You can, you know, more a little bit more sideline, but it's gonna be a little bit more uncomfortable, a little bit more pain maybe for somebody because it's more weight, but you can use it as well. You know, it depends how you feel comfortable. So here is our tennis ball. You put it on here and you just go like that, slow, slow. When you feel that pain release, just hold a little bit here, take a breath, and apply pressure with this hand, like that. Release. And it's gonna very good for, you can, you know, for treat all the muscle, like that. You can go moving the ball like that, and working in all the muscle. Okay, like that. Very good. That's good. So remember, after you finish working with this one or with a lot of pressure, just remember, you know, very soft, squishing and moving, because we need to relax again the tissue. If you are working without clothes, lotion, and very soft massage, you know, a smooth massage like that. This technique, you can use this technique for massage as well, like that. And just release and release and release all the area, okay? So it's very easy. So don't forget, you can work at home without removing your clothes, using things that you have at home, so you don't have to spend too much money to do this kind of exercises at home. So I hope so this video helped you to exercise, to release the tensor fascia lata at your home, and you can apply. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.